coverage downfield. Beautiful coverage on the perimeter thanks to DeCamerion Richardson.
Goes along. Second and 9 for Daniels. There are two receivers there, including Emery, but it goes to Brian Thomas, and Emery just got lit up, Katie. Daniels, easy pitch and catch to Neighbors for a first down.
This is a different feeling with those Cowboys getting ring.
North will throw to the play action set. He's got plenty of space, and they set it up. The tight end, Harold Fannin, in for the injured. A-Chain out of the backfield, drilled, but
Guys in the tackle box.
Johnson all day swings it out to A-Chain. And he's game tackled.
We talked about a timeout last week. That might be the first time I've ever talked to him in game. McLean out of the backfield. Game 3.
Right after this.
40-yard gain. Going quickly. It's JoJo Earl. Bobbles it. Flicks it for a short game.
Yeah, real quick, you did see Brooks have to change.